is Sharmel. Welcome back to another episode of The Sweet Life of Sharmel. Today is Monday, April 30th, and I'm vlogging on a Monday. So here's the deal. I haven't been posting that much. Well, I posted 2 videos within the last 2 weeks. So I currently have braids, and if you guys know, my channel is more geared around like hair and, you know, makeup videos. However, I don't want to say I'm growing out of it, but I still do enjoy it. But as far as like my hair goes, you guys know that I am a new natural, and I made a video about this, but wigs just haven't really been doing it for me lately. So I've kind of scaled back on the wig wearing, and like now I have in braids, which I did film a video on this. But, you know, I can't film other hair videos when I'm wearing braids for like 4 weeks at a time. So because of that, I do want to try to slide in other different type of videos so that I don't just have like long breaks with no videos at all. And also, I don't know, like, I feel like for one, God has really been like working on me this year in a sense, of just like really defining who I am and what he wants for my life and what I want for my life, and how I kind of work throughout those things. And I do enjoy doing hair, and I do enjoy like makeup, and I do enjoy looking nice. I enjoy getting pretty. I enjoy all of that. However, with that being said, I don't want to be, I'm not trying to throw shade, but there's a lot of pretty girls on YouTube, right? Just a lot of pretty girls. Like, we're just in a time where everyone's just pretty, right? And I don't want to just be pretty. There's so many beautiful girls on YouTube, and y'all look good, and I'm happy for you guys. But past that, what else is it? And so I'm just kind of at a place where I don't just want to be pretty and just real vampant. Like, I want to have some substance behind my beauty. And I can tell, like, I feel like it's been a gradual process. I feel like this has just been coming, like, over the last few years into where I'm just getting more and more comfortable with myself. And while I like doing all the extras, I'm at a point where I don't need it necessarily to feel good about myself. Like, I'll still comb my hair, I'll still do my makeup, I'll still get dressed and put on a nice outfit. But if I don't have those things, then I'm okay. And yeah, so it's kind of, I don't want to say I don't enjoy doing hair videos and makeup videos anymore, because I still do. Like, I'm just past the point where, like, okay, I know how to make myself look good, so now what? Like, what else do I have to say? If I were to lose all of this, if something happened to me and I didn't have the same face, if something happened and I had to get rid of all my hair and I couldn't wear wigs or whatever, like, what more do I have to say? So yeah, with that being said, I am like in the process of brainstorming like more lifestyle videos to kind of introduce to my channel. Because yeah, I do want to say more. I don't want to just be a pretty face with nothing else to offer. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. And although I don't do my hair and stuff all the time, I'm still like do my friend's hair, and I still take clients and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to incorporate that, find a way to incorporate all of it in. I'm brainstorming and trying to figure it out. But yeah, that's where we're at. Today is Monday. I just came from work and from the gym. I usually go to the gym right after work. And I kind of spread myself thin. So I'm going out of town in about a week and a half. And my cousin wants a sew-in before we go, and she also wants me to color her bundles. So she had the bundles sent to my house, and I'm gonna bleach them and color it. And then my mom also wants a unit made, and I have to have all this done by Friday. So yeah, I think I'm going to get ready to, I'm gonna bleach these bundles real quick and then hop in the shower. Like, I just have to start. I don't know. Like I said, I just spread myself thin. Also wanted to turn my braids into faux locks before I went on my vacation. But I'm not sure if I'll have time to do it. If I don't, then I'll definitely just like touch up my edges, because I have been working out like 3 to 4 times a week. So my edges are starting to get really frizzy. But yeah, I did get some packages in the mail. Let me grab my tripod. So this is gonna be another random mini haul. So here's the first package. I know what everything is already, which is funny after I just did that whole sermon about how I want to be more than just a pretty face. This box here is makeup. But like I said, I still want to do, I still do hair and makeup and stuff, but like, I just don't always feel like doing it all the time. Like, I'm okay. Like, I have days where I want to look pretty, and then I have days where I just want to be my natural self and not have to do much to it. So, I'm excited about this, actually. So, here it is. This is the Crayon Case Makeup Palette. It's an unboxing, like I haven't looked at this. Off top, the palette is huge. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup palette. Like, this is huge. So here it is. Even this mirror is huge. Like, I never could use like regular palette mirrors. I just feel like they're just too small, but I can legit see my whole face in this mirror. So yeah, you guys will be seeing this soon, and probably in a lot of my makeup videos. And then I also ordered, so here's the highlighter. I got Anglola. Just a super bronzy highlighter. What else? Well, I went to Ulta yesterday too. I guess I can show you guys what I got from Ulta. I didn't really get much. I went because I needed the Gimme Brow, the brow gel from Benefit. I like to set my brows with that. And I also needed some of the all-nighter spray from Urban Decay. This is the travel size. And like I said, I am going out of town in a couple weeks. I got a new beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques face sponge. And then I also got these lip glosses. They're Ulta brand. So I had my niece with me, and she was like begging to get something. So we went to find her some clear lip gloss, and this is what they look like. So they are the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil, and they're basically just like old school clear lip gloss. So I actually haven't tried it yet. This is the one my niece got. She liked it. She was wearing it all day. They smell good. And then I got some bundles over here. But yeah, I'm going to bleach this hair, and I'll prop you guys up and show you guys what I'm going to be doing. So the first one is the hair that I'm going to color from my cousin. The hair is from Allie Pearl, and she got 3 bundles and a closure. I have reviewed Allie Pearl on my channel before. And just so you guys know, when I actually like something and I tell you guys I like it in a video, I actually mean it, because if I like something, I recommend it to like clients or to family members and stuff. So she got 3 bundles and a closure. So I'm going to bleach these. She wants it like, you know, like some blonde highlights or something. So I have to do that. And then my mom, she got her bundles. I ordered her some bundles from AliExpress as well. Well, my mom likes to wear U-parts, so she doesn't do closures and stuff. So she just got 3 bundles of 16 inches, and she doesn't do anything special. So I'm not gonna color it. We're not gonna do none of that. We're just gonna sew it onto a U-part cap, and she'll wear it like that. That's what we have on the agenda for the week. Getting this hair colored and getting this wig made, and then doing the installs this weekend. So let me get in the shower and get this hair colored, and then I will check. Alright, so this is what we have so far. So I used some bleaching powder and I ran out of 40 volume developer, so I had to mix with some 30 volume developer. And now I'm just letting this sit. Now I am doing this the lazy way. So this is not how you're supposed to bleach hair. Ideally, when you're bleaching bundles, you should take it out of the bundle and unravel it so that you can get every piece of hair. However, for the style that we're going for, because I have to bleach it again anyways to achieve this blonde look, I'm just going to do my first process while it's still in the bundle because it was quick and it was easy. And then once I do my second bleaching process, then I'll take them out of the bundles. So she wants more of the blonde concentrated at the top and in the front. So for the bottom two, the longer bundles, I'm only going to bleach those once. So this is going to be the only processing for these ones. So these are just going to probably be like a brown color. And then I'll bleach these two, the closure and the short bundle again. And then I'll tone all of the hair. So this is going to be like a couple of day process because I just don't have time to do it all tonight, and I don't want to do it all tonight because I don't feel like it. But yeah, so this is how it's looking so far, and I will. So hey everybody, today is Saturday, May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo, and it is about 8:24 right now. So I've been up since about 6 o'clock this morning. I stretched myself so thin this week that it makes no sense. So I've been seeing this week, basically I'm going out of town. I committed myself to doing my cousin's hair. She also wanted me to bleach her hair, and I did the sew-in yesterday. I committed myself to making my mom's wig, and then I also committed myself to doing my friend's hair this morning, and I'm in the process of turning my hair into faux locks, and I'll have a full video on my hair and all of that. So I've been working on hair all week, went to work every day, went to the gym 3 times this week, went to Bible study this week, had an eye appointment this week, and somehow I've managed to fit all of that in. And then yesterday was Friday, and I did hair Friday night. So, yeah. I also have a lot on my plate today. So like I said, I'm supposed to do my friend's hair. I'm supposed to do Janae's hair at 9. So she'll be here in like 30 minutes. I need to finish my hair before like this afternoon because I need to go to the nail shop. My toes look so raggedy. I definitely need to get my nails and my feet done before I go out of town. And it's also my other cousin's birthday tomorrow, so we're supposed to go out tonight. So I have to get all of that done today. And then I have to make I still haven't started my mom's wig, and I'm supposed to do her hair tomorrow, and I'm going to church tomorrow. So I'm a little stressed. I may not look like it. I've been holding myself together, but deep down inside all weekend I've been really stressed. And it's one of them things, like, on top of all of that, like, I've been getting so many inquiries about hair appointments. Like, I'm gonna be out of town next weekend, but up into mid-June I think I'm doing hair every weekend, and it's a blessing. Like, I don't want to act like, oh, I don't want to, like, I'm above it. It's definitely a blessing. Like, it's money in my pockets. I enjoy doing hair, but like, it just all, I feel like everything just piled up on me at one time. So yeah, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. So I'm praying for some strength, that I just make it through and that I get everything that I want to get done today. So I'm not gonna vlog too much right now. I'm not gonna keep talking because I do need to do some more of my hair. I'm gonna turn on some music, do my hair, wait for Janae to get here, and then move on from there. Like I said, I'm going out tonight, so I'm going to try to get some footage of me going out tonight. It should be a good time, but I just need to make it to that point. So I'll check back in with you guys later. Alright guys, so 5:05 right now. I did not finish my hair. I still have a nice chunk in the middle of my head that needs to be done. However, I really want to get to this nail shop. So I just pinned it up in some kind of style. I'm going to go to the nail shop, go to the bank, at least get my errands done before it gets too late. Come back home and I can't even think straight. So come back home and try to finish as much as my hair as possible before I go out tonight and have enough time to do my makeup and get dressed and all that stuff. I know what I'm wearing, so I hope it comes out right. Like, you know, you have an idea. Like, at this point in the evening, afternoon, I need everything to work in my favor because I am on a tight schedule. I'm looking busted. My toes look terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get to this nail shop so I can hurry up and get home and just continue to work through. I mean, I have a nice chunk left, but I'm a little optimistic that I can get it done. If not, then I definitely have enough done to kind of pin it in some kind of style. Put my alarm on. And so hopefully it just all comes together. Like, I'm over it all. I'm stressed. So out here with my name. Come on, vlog.
But the money won't be